Hi my friends, it's Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. Today I have an unboxing and it is actually diamond painting. So stick around. They came from Amazon and they were inspired, at least one of them was inspired by Scrapping with Sylvia. And so hang on and we'll get into it. Before I do that, I want to show you something I learned today. I was watching Natalia from Lovecraft Forever, and I've learned something new from her that has totally astonished me. On my cross-stitch kit that I talk about how they have this heavy-duty paper that won't tear, I found out that it is a sticker. You can peel this back cellophane layer off of it. Let's see if I can find the corner I did it to. Maybe it'll be easier. Well, I do have to admit I used my tweezers that I don't have with me now. But anyway, you can peel that back and you've got yourself a sticker. So, that means that if you wanted to use these to make your floss drops card, you don't need to even make a copy of them. You can just cut them out, peel it back, and I'm going to pause it and show you. Hold on. Okay, I got it. I lifted it up. I don't know if you can see that cellophane. Peel it back, and I lost it again. Oh my goodness. And that is sticker. That is a sticker. So, I learned something new. After what, 7 months of cross-stitching on stamped cross-stitch, I learned something new today. So, I wanted to share that with you. Okay, I've gotten this from Amazon. Let's get into it. It's diamond paintings. This one was only $4.99. It was, I knew it was a gamble because there's a lot of detail in this one for a little sized diamond painting. It's a 30 by 40. The struggle is real, my friends. The struggle is real. Okay. There we go. We've got a puppy dog. We got, I think that's there's another dog. This may be a kitten. I don't know if it's another dog. We got a pickup truck. And here's the thumbnail. And I will insert the picture that I got from online. I will insert it right here so you can see it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the alphabet, and it's all in order. So this one should be an easy one to do. It's not a lot of confetti for the detail. It seems like the color does come in blocks or rivers. So this one would be a fun to do. It's made by Hyporeek. Look at these colors. No, if that doesn't say Easter, I don't know what does it. This is the natural colors, and here are the bright Eastery colors. It came with a nice little toolkit. It has baggies. It has a grip. It has, looks like there's 2 things of wax in there, and there's a multi-placer in there. I think it's a 3-placer, and a pen. So that looks like a nice little diamond painting. The next one that came is another one. This one was $5.99 when I bought it. And I believe it's still there. I haven't checked to see if these are still there, but I did order them just a couple days ago. I ordered it the day Scrapping Sylvia put up her video. Y'all need to go check out Scrapping Sylvia. I'll put a link below. She does awesome videos on diamond painting, and she also does some scrapbooking. And she has some really nice diamond paintings. This is my gnome with the sunflower. And it has some bees flying around him. You know, I love my bees. I love my gnomes. I love my everything. Here is the thumbnail. And I'll post another picture in here so you can see what I chose it from. And it is all alphabet and it's all jumbled and mixed up in order. So there's no rhyme or reason to that. There are 24 colors. It is sticky. And the toolkit is much the same, only it's one long. It has a, that looks like a 7 or 8 placer. There, with a 3 placer also, and a scrunchie with a white tray. Here are the bumblebee colors and the sunflower colors. And those are the colors I would expect from this. Now, let's go back to this one. I'm out of practice for these diamond painting. This one has 28 colors. And yeah, the stick's even better on this one. But I like how they have theirs. There's a number and alphabet order. This one's all scrambled up. And this is the one that Sylvia put my hand behind my back and then pulled it tight and said, "You have to buy this." No. And she did that by showing it on her channel. I just fell in love with it immediately. It's just adorably cute. That's all there is to it. And there she be. Look at those rainbows with all the flowers coming out and that pretty bird right there. And I don't know my birds, or I'll tell you what kind of birds they are. That is so pretty. We'll check. All of these are 30 by 40. That's very sticky. Here's the thumbnail. That's a pretty decent thumbnail. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then alphabet order. There is one color more. There are than the alphabet, and so there is a 0 at the bottom or a O, which they skipped in the alphabet. So whatever it is, it's alphabetical order until they get to that Z or the O at the bottom. So that is it. These are the nice, bright, colorful spring colors for this kit. Oh, I love it. I love that teal color. Oh, this is going to be so pretty and fun. And it's also a 30 by 40. The toolkit on this one comes with a green tray, but it also has a straightener in it and a very big multi-placer. That one's pretty substantial. I love the pink grip, yay! And the plate of wax with a green tray. I'm not crazy about the green trays, but hey, they will work in a pinch. It also has baggies. So, my haul for today is my flower rain boots, my sunflower gnome with the bees. See if I can get this all in the camera. And then this, it looks, to me, it's like an Easter picnic. That's what this picture reminds me of. It's an Easter picnic. So, there we go. That's my haul. This one was $4.99. This one was $5.99. And this one was $9.98. So, I think I got a good little haul from Amazon. What do y'all think? Tell me what your favorite is. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.